Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today video we are going to be styling this hoodie in a nice coolest fall way that you like. Honestly, I can't wait to show you how they're gonna look. The hood is amazing. The print on it, keep it cool, keep it fresh, keep it stylish as well. I can't wait to show you because they're all gonna look really cool. In case you like the way I'm gonna style my own hoodie in 4 different ways, you can style your own as well because you're gonna look amazing. So my coolest, my lovely people, let's go. The first outfit is amazing. I like the way the first outfit look. Very cool, very stylish as well. The hoodie is amazing. If you have the same hoodie, you can style in the same way I'm styling mine. I put flare trousers on and with the chunky trainers on. Very cool, very stylish as well. Honestly, this is really cool. I like the way everything look. I put my bracelets, my ring, my wristwatch, my necklace on to keep the hoodie a bit more stylish, different vibe as well. This is amazing hoodie as well. In case you don't have this hoodie, the one you have over there, style them the same way I'm styling mine because your home might even more better than the same way mine. Or you can style them the same way I'm styling mine. You see how cooler it is with the flare trousers on? Amazing as well. In case you don't fancy flare trousers, you can put baggy or straight jeans or skinny jeans. You're gonna look really cool with your hoodie as well. Amazing. The color combination vibe as well. I can go anywhere like this and people are gonna give me compliment because they can see how cool, how straight, how stylish this look on me. Amazing. The hood, the print as well. Just give me a bit more stylish to it as well. The print at the back as well. I like the graphic prints as well. Very cool, very stylish. Everything just amazing. Don't forget to spray yourself. Put yourself rolling, spray, any kind of perfume, put them because you're gonna smell nice. Plus, the way this hoodie look cool on me is amazing. Honestly, I like the vibe. The vibe is amazing. I like the look as well. You can press the hoodie as well, but you press it inside out to keep it a bit more stylish. But because you don't want to press where there's a print in it, so that's cool as well. And the jeans as well. If your jeans kind of rough, it doesn't clean, it doesn't fresh, you need to press them with the iron because you're gonna look a lot better. Clean them, make sure they're clean, they're nice, they're fresh because they're all gonna look amazing and you're gonna look cooler and people are gonna looking like I like that guy is cool. They all give you compliment if they can. They will smile you. That's another way they give you compliment because they can tell you deserve it. Your hair as well, spray your hair, cut your hair, put all kind of hair product in your hair because when you put all those things in your hair, you will make the hoodie look more interesting, more nicer, more fresh, more stylish as well. I like it. I'm checking what did I don't like about this hoodie. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just normal size and I like it the way it look on me. Very stylish, very cool. The necklace as well, just compare the look, it make it look more stylish, rugged vibe as well. If you don't fancy necklace, the big one, use the tiny one, the little one, pull them on because it will complement the look. It will make it look more stylish as well. I like it. Even though the prints on the hoodie as well, you got the necklace on. So why you not put your own necklace on? Because you're gonna look even more better as well. Amazing. I like it. This is a really street as well, really stylish. I like the way you look. The flat trousers just give me that kind of different vibe with the trainers as well. And I like it. Very cool, very relaxing, very vibing as well. I'm checking. Does it look cool or no? It does. The print at the back. Let me give you guys 360 to see the print at the back as well. Does it look cool or not? Because I can see the print kind of different with the one at the front as well, but they all looking kind of stylish. I like the print. Very cool, very street as well, very street vibe, streetwear as well. Cool, amazing. Honestly, I'm liking the vibe because the vibe is cool. That's why I want you to look cool because your happiness is my joy. If you start your own hoodie like this and you step out, honestly, people will know you're cool. They will give you compliment. Honestly, they will be looking at you like that guy is cool. I like his vibe. Let me put my sunglasses on so you're gonna like him more, better. Again, your sunglasses, the one you know you like, the one that look cool on your face properly, that's the one you have to put them on because when you get them, you're gonna look him cool, stylish as well. I like the vibe. And the sunglasses kind of look cool together with hoodie as well. I like the vibe. Very stylish as well. Look, does it not look cool? It does. And I like the vibe. Honestly, I'm happy the way everything look cool on me. Very stylish as well. Amazing, amazing. I like this hoodie. You know when you go older, you don't even know how they look until when you pull them on. This is how this hoodie look. I don't even know it look cool like this. When I pull them on, I'm quite impressed the way it look. And you too, you're gonna be impressed with your own hoodie. If you don't like the hoodie I put them on, the one you got, style them the same way I'm styling mine. You see how cool I look right now? Did I not look cool? If you want to try my fashion sense, there are my tips and tricks. Style them and step out. You'll see how people is gonna look you like that guy is cool. It's amazing. I like it, right? Because I want you to look cool. Honestly, you see how am I looking cool like this right now? You're gonna even looking cooler than me, amazing than me, stylish than me. Look, just style them the same way I'm styling mine because you're gonna be cooler. I like it. I'm happy. You know when you know you're cool, the vibe just giving you that kind of coolest vibe, and you're happy the way the vibe look. Amazing, amazing, coolest vibe. Honestly, this is really cool. I want you to be cooler than me. I want you to be awesome. Look, I'm still holding different vibe because the hoodie give me that kind of coolness. With the sunglasses, I'm feeling cool. I'm feeling cozy. I'm feeling warm. I can go anywhere. Dinner, day, brunch, any event they invite me to. Who will just look at me like that? That guy is cool. They will give me compliment because I deserve it. So my coolest, my lovely people, let's move on to the man. Outfit is amazing. I like the way we're making the hoodie look. Different vibe, different coolest look as well. We put joggers on to give a bit more cooler street vibe, streetwear to it as well. I like the vibe. Does it not look cool? It does. And we put chunky sole over some white one to keep it a bit more edge, more stylish, more street as well. Because when you step out, people will know you got a good fashion sense because they can see how the hood look cool on you, stylish cool to you as well. Does it not look cool? It does. Honestly, I like the vibe. The hood is amazing. Let me give you guys 360 to see how this hood look coolest vibe as well. This is one of the hood ever got because the vibe, the print, the vibe as well. Because I can tell it cool with that, and the prints and the joggers as well, kind of cool. Make everything look amazing. Honestly, I'm impressed. I mean, in good vibe right now. If you guys can see our vibe, how stylish I look right now, you're gonna even looking more better than me if you style your own hoodie like this. How stylish I look, amazing. I like it. Does it anything I don't like about this hoodie to let you guys know? No. Everything just cool, just stylish, cool, amazing. You can still fold it, still looking really cool. I like it when I fold it back, when I fold the sleeve as well. I kind of like the vibe, just cool. You can do the same thing as well, and that's why you have to pull your bracelet, your ring, your wristwatch, so it kind of give a bit more street style look to it as well. Because you can see when I fold it and the wristwatch, the ring, everything kind of cool together. A bit more head, more street vibe. I like that. I'm looking. There's anything I don't like about this outfit? Like I should let you guys know. No, everything is just amazing. The prints at the back, just cool. Does it not look cool? The joggers just go together. It's like they make the joggers with a hoodie, like kind of set, but the day I put them together to make it look more stylish, more streetwear, street vibe as well, timeless look. This is a quality and style as well, people. This is amazing. I like it. It just the beauty just making me cool. Like I can go anywhere. And I can go anywhere, and people will know that that guy is cool. I like his vibe. I like the print on his hoodie. Everything just amazing. The color combination just amazing. Just too cool. Don't forget to put your perfume on, your roll on, put them on, because when you put them on, you make everything look cool. You smell nice, fresh, amazing, and people will give you compliment. Trust me, because people can tell how fresh you look, how stylish you look. The one you have in your wardrobe, the one in your wardrobe, style them the same way I'm styling mine. You see, I put joggers on, different trousers on to make it a bit more stylish. The other one is different to this one to give it a bit more unique. And the trainers as well kind of different. We put chunky sole, low sole. So everything kind of cool, stylish. In case you don't like the first one, you can like this one as well because they're all going to look really cool on you. Trust me, if you style your own hoodie the same way I'm styling mine, people will know you're cool. They will come close to you, trust me, because people can tell how cool you look. Because I have to speak to people, but you don't know. Me too, I don't know sometimes because when I step out, people just like give me a compliment because they can tell how cool I look. And I just say thank you. They will do that to you because they can tell you look cool. Just get your hoodie out, your jogger, your chunky sole over. Style them the same way I'm styling mine. So my coolest, my lovely people, let's move on. The third one, I like this, the vibe, the straight jeans, amazing. I like the way it look, very cool. Then we put Adidas Uma Maiden, very cool. Multicolor, I like it, very stylish as well. With the straight jeans, cool as vibe. The hood just talking to me. I like the way he look. It gives me that kind of rugged street vibe look as well. Honestly, this is really cool. I'm liking how I'm turning the hoodie. I'm making them look. And you too, you're gonna looking really cool. In case you don't like the first one, you're gonna like this one. In case you don't like the second one, you're gonna like this one because they all looking really cool in different way as well. Amazing. Don't forget to clean your shoe as well. You see, I put different shoe on to give you a bit more straight look to see how they're gonna look. Are they looking really cool? Yeah, they look cool. They look amazing, stylish as well. If you don't have the same hoodie, the one you got in your wardrobe, you can style them the same way I'm styling mine because you're gonna even looking more better than me. And the jeans as well, I put them on. If you don't get them, the one you have, you can style them with your own hoodie, the one you got. Just press your jeans and your hoodie. If there's a print on it, turn inside out and press them. Then you're gonna look amazing, stylish as well. Don't forget to adjust your hair, spray your hair, put all hair products in your hair, spray jelly, put oil on because you're gonna look really fresh and put your bowl on your skin, pull them on because you're gonna look amazing, swag, stylish as well. People will know like that guy is cool. I like it, smell nice. And don't forget your necklace, the loud one, you can pull them on. If you have the little one, the tiny one, just pull them on to make the hoodie and the outfit look more interesting, more stylish as well. So people can tell you look cool, you look stylish. I'm not joking because I can tell how I look cool right now. And when I step out, people give me compliment left, right, and they will give you two compliment because they know you deserve it. Let me give you guys 360. There's a print at the back as well, different vibe as well, coolest look as well. With the stretch jeans and with the trainers, just cool, amazing. I'm checking. Does it look together? I think it does. The distressed jeans is amazing, honestly. Coolest vibe as well. I'm liking it. Does it look cool, guys? This is vibe. This is amazing. Look, guys, amazing. I like it. Please try your own hoodie as well. Your own hoodie might be better than mine. Just bring them out and style them the same way I'm styling mine. That's the one thing I'm thinking to do. Put something on, like another sunglasses to see if they're gonna looking really cool. Yes or no? Let me see. Amazing. Look. I don't even put anything on. I don't put any hat on to keep it a bit more simple, more fresh, more street vibe, timeless look. This is a quality and style amazing. When I say people will know this guy is cool, put your own sunglasses on. The one you know you have, the one that look cool on your face properly, put them on because when you put them on, you're gonna compliment the hoodie. You see how this good look. I'm liking it. I'm enjoying the vibe. If I step out like this, trust me 100%, people will give me company. And you too, if you style your own hoodie like this, very stylish, very cool. Don't forget, pull your ring, your wristwatch, your necklace, pull them on. All matters as well, please, because they're gonna make the hoodie look a little bit more stylish, cool together. I like the vibe. The vibe is amazing. Not too much, not too low, not too loud. Just very cool vibe. Look, amazing vibe. I like it. I'm checking. Did I not like this vibe? I should let you guys know. So in case you want to style your own hoodie, no, this is cool. This is amazing. Look, did I not look cool like this? I do. And you can tell I look cool. And you too, you're going to even looking more better than me. Amazing vibe as well. When you step out, people will be looking like that guy is cool. I like his vibe. Very chill. The color just match together. And the way we style them as well matter. And the freshness as well matter. The vibe as well matter. The jewelry matter, the look matter, the timeless vibe with the hair, everything just cool. Cut your hair, braid your hair, put everything, the hair product, pull your hair because you look fresh, you look stylish, you look cool, you look quality, you look fresh, you look timeless, you look stylish. People will know like that guy is amazing. I like his vibe. They want to speak to you, trust me, because they can tell you cool. And they will smile at you if they don't feel like kind of they want to talk to you or they don't have boldness, to give you compliment. They will smile at you. And that's another way they give you the compliment because you deserve it. So my coolest, my lovely people, let's move on to the next. The last one is amazing, very stylish. The hoodie is just cool, just amazing. Now we put kind of Vivienne Westwood Loverson, and I like it with the baggy cargo trousers and nice as well, stylish cool to it as well. Honestly, this is fresh. I like the way he looks. You can see how we make them look kind of different look, different vibe as well. In case you have the bagging, make sure you put Loverson because it's going to look really cool. If you don't fancy chunky soul Loverson, put flat Loverson because it will make the baggy look kind of cool, stylish as well. I like it. The vibe is amazing. very simple, very stylish. The way the hood look as well. Honestly, this hoodie, you can go and get your own as well and come back and style it the same way I'm styling mine. It doesn't matter to have the same hoodie I got. The one you have, style them the same way I'm styling mine. You can see how cool I look right now. Did I not look cool? I do. And you can even look more better than me. Honestly, amazing, amazing. I like the bag. The bag is just cool. Give me the bag and the color as well. Just cool together. The jeans, the hoodie, the Vivian Westwood logos, just amazing. And the bracelet, the ring, the wristwatch, the necklace, just complement the look. Make the outfit look fresh, more simple, more stylish as well. If I step out like this, people will know I got great fashion sense. They will give me compliment, trust me, because they can tell how cool, how stylish these guys look. Because any day, anytime when I step out, people always give me compliment, and I know. And that's why I need to let you guys know, because I want you guys to be cool. I want you guys to get compliment that you deserve. I want people to recognize your presence anywhere you go, because people will know you're cool and they can see, because the outfit speak to people in different stylish look, and they will respond back to you. They will give you a compliment or they will smile. That's another way they give you a compliment, because they appreciate your presence. You make them feel happy. You make them feel cool. Not just because you impress yourself with the outfit, you make the other people from outside look cool to look happy, because you put them in a kind of clean mindset, like fresh mindset, like, I like that guy, I like the vibe, I like the way he look. You make them happy, you make them happy, because it's cool. The outfit speak to them, and that's why I'm passing by my fashion sense idea, my tips to make you guys look cool, to step out in a different, cooler, stylish look. You can see the first one how cool it look, and the second one how stylish, how street it look, and the third one you can see how fresh, amazing it look. But the last one, how simple, how fresh, how dapper, how clean it look. We can keep going to make the hood look cool. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, turn it again. Make it look more interesting vibe as well. I like it. The hood is amazing. Honestly, the prints just give me a vibe. This kind of hood, it will never be bored. You can be keeping turning in a different stylish coat every day. You think like, I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. It's gonna look really cool again. Next tomorrow, it's gonna be amazing, and people will be looking like, I think I like that guy vibe. I like the way everything look amazing, cool as vibe as well. So one thing I'm thinking to do to put my bucket hat, yes or no. I don't know. It's gonna look really cool together. Let's try it. Let's see how they're gonna look. I'm looking where the back, where's the front. So let's see. Amazing. Look, in case you want to put the bucket hat on, still look amazing. We take it to a different level. You see how I'm telling you guys, like, we can make this hoodie look more cooler, more stylish in different vibe, and I like it, and I'm impressed with the way it looks. The bucket hat just complements it. In case you don't fancy bucket hat, you can see how I style them without know the bucket hat. It look cool. But if you want to put like kind of a bit more swag, a bit more street vibe, you can put bucket hats on. You're gonna be amazing. Trust me. And if you step out with your hoodie, people will look you like, I like that guy. The vibe is amazing. It look cool. It looks stylish. They will give you a compliment because they can tell how cool, how fresh you look. And that's the things I'm thinking as well. The sunglasses. To put them on, yes or no? Are they gonna look really cool? Amazing, amazing. This is really cool. Don't tell me it's not looking stylish. It's not looking fly. It's not looking awesome. This is amazing. You see how fresh I look right now? You need to try the same thing as well and step out and see how people are gonna be giving you a compliment. Your sunglasses, the one you got, the one that look cool on your face properly, put them on. The bucket hat, put them on. The hoodie, put them on. The baggy cargo trouser, put them on. Put flat movers on. You're gonna be amazing. Then step out, spray yourself with the roll-on perfume. Then you see how people is gonna be looking like. I think that guy is look cool. He's amazing. I like his vibe. His vibe is just too cool. Honestly, I'm liking the vibe. Let me check myself in the mirror to see how cool this is. Look amazing. And everything just cool together. I don't see anything wrong about this outfit. Just too fresh. Amazing. So which one do you think you like? The first one, the second one, the third one, the last one? Which one do you think you like? Let me know, because I know they're all looking really cool. For me, they're all looking amazing. The first one, cool. The second one, third one, the last one, they look amazing in different way. For you, you have your opinion. and I will take your opinion on board. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video, share my video to the loved one, family and friends, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you lovely, amazing, cool, and beautiful, handsome people another day. Take care.